All right, folks, especially all you motorcycle riders out there. I know you have to pull your bike sometimes, whether you like it or not. And if you're like me, you just hate those old aggravating dang straps. Always having to stop, check it, worried about it falling over. Every time you see it move, you want to stop. Well, I figured out a little way to haul my bike. It's just up to you if you want to do it. But I like that little bit of confidence of knowing my bike ain't gonna fall off. So, if you like the straps, you stick with the straps. But my way, I rigged me up a little bar here. I got them colored, red and blue, right and left. Me a little bracket right here with a threaded rod welded. My bolts. Right up here, there's usually a centerpiece on your bike. Usually got 2 holes. And I don't know if you might have to drill them out or what. I drilled mine out just a hair, put these bolts, inserted these bolts in there. Put this threaded rod in there and locked it down. I keep my threaded rod in there all the time. Now, if you don't have that little thing, you can get you a piece of angle iron like this with some them U-clamps, stick them on there, and then drill your holes through there and put your bars in there. If you don't have the little holes, most motorcycles do, especially the big Harleys. But and then that right there is just kind of keep the butt end towed down. And now I got this little thing right here I rigged up, my tire to go in. Just one little strap there to keep it pulled up tight. But it looks a whole lot better than that. Anyway, I'll show you how this thing works. Here's it's got a hole drill. Got my threaded rod welded in there. And pretty well, you just kind of stick it up in there. Stick that in your hole. Put that right there up on your bar. There you go. Of course, you know you need to put your nuts on there so you can tighten it all up. But and then you do away with these little aggravating straps. But it's a whole lot better to me. I ain't got to worry about my bike. I've been hauling it for years now, and I get out and check it when I get gas, and everything's still tight. My bike don't move. Heck, you can't throw it off this trailer. These bikes are heavy. But anyway, I'm gonna get this one right here rigged up. Take my straps off. I'll be right back. All right, folks, Harley riders, motorcycle lovers. I got my other bar installed. Threaded rod, angle iron, bolt right there. Fasten this little bracket right here to my trailer. Nothing fancy. Little homemade stuff you pick up at Lowe's. Somebody to weld it for you. Anyway, I got red and blue. I got them color coded because one fits best on one side and the other. My little bar right there. My bolts in it. That's hold down. Threaded rod. Also, the threaded rod lets you adjust your bike. You know, center it up, get it straight. And believe me, you can't shake that thing off. It's not going nowhere. Like I said, all them right there does is just keep the back end a little straight. You know, probably don't even need them. But it's a whole lot better than most straps hanging on the front, worrying if your bike's gonna fall off. Well, I used to be worried to death my bike was gonna fall off. But anyway, I thought I'd make this little video. I'm loading it up. We're going to South Georgia. We're gonna ride around Florida, great state of Florida. Going to go to St. George Island, hopefully. But anyway, hope y'all enjoyed this little video. Bars looks good, don't it? But anyway, if you like it, smash the like button. And if you like it, subscribe. You never know what I'm gonna have on there. I have all kinds of stuff. That's why I call it this and that. Do a little bit of this and a little bit of that. How clean that is. But anyway, I'll see y'all guys later. Be safe. Bye.